Today, we'll guide you through the latest innovations in fish tank design and functionality, helping you create a beautiful and thriving aquatic environment in your home or office. Top 5 best fish tanks in 2025, from advanced filtration systems to eco-friendly materials. Each tank on our list brings unique features to ensure your fish flourish. Stick around till the end to discover which tank stands out as the best overall in quality, design, and value. Number 5. Tetra Bubbling LED Aquarium Kit. A hexagon-shaped, colorful aquarium that's perfect for betta fish. If you're looking to add a little underwater magic to your space, this compact tank has everything you need to keep your fish happy and healthy. Let's dive into its features and see why this aquarium kit is a great choice for beginners and experienced aquarists alike. The kit includes a bubbling disc that cycles through a rainbow of LED light colors. It creates a mesmerizing, colorful display that brings your aquarium to life. This aquarium is equipped with a Tetra Whisper internal power filter. Driven by an air pump, it keeps the water clean, ensuring a healthy environment for your fish. The air pump powers both the bubbling disc and the filter, making it an efficient and reliable choice for maintaining the aquarium's beauty and cleanliness. The clear canopy includes a convenient feeding hole, so you can easily feed your fish without disrupting their habitat. This aquarium kit is perfect for fish of all life stages, providing a comfortable home for young or mature bettas. The Tetra Bubbling LED Aquarium Kit combines beauty and functionality. With its stunning LED colors, effective filter, and easy feeding, it's the perfect setup for your betta fish. Number 4. Aqueon LED MiniBow Small Aquarium, a compact and convenient home for your fish. Designed with smart clean technology, this aquarium performs water changes in under 2 minutes, improving water quality for a healthier environment. It's a great option for fish keepers of all experience levels. This aquarium's standout feature, smart clean technology, allows you to perform water changes in less than 2 minutes. Quick, simple maintenance keeps your fish's environment clean and healthy. The Aqueon MiniBow includes an aquarium vessel, hood, elevated base, power filter, filter cartridge, fish food water conditioner, and setup guide. It's all you need to get started. Ideal for small fish, this aquarium provides a cozy and manageable environment, making it a great home for your pet and easy for you to maintain. Whether you're a first-time fish keeper or an experienced one, this setup is easy to handle and a reliable choice for all ages. The MiniBow works with Aqueon's small replacement cartridge, ensuring filtration is always efficient and straightforward. The Aqueon LED MiniBow Small Aquarium is an excellent choice for anyone looking to create a clean, healthy habitat for small fish. Number 3. Fish Tank Aquarium, a triple self-circulating filtration system. This tank is a dream come true for fish lovers, combining cutting-edge filtration, adjustable lighting, and effortless maintenance. Let's dive into the unique features that set this aquarium apart, ensuring a clear, serene, and beautifully illuminated environment for your fish. Triple filtration system. This tank's 3-in-1 silent pump integrates filtering, oxygenation, and water circulation. Paired with a reusable filter sponge, it keeps the water crystal clear and healthy. Adjustable lighting options. It has 3 adjustable light colors: white, blue, and red. Toggle colors with a gentle press for a captivating ambiance, perfect for different moods and viewing experiences. Durable glass build crafted from automotive-grade float glass. Its thickened base ensures stability and reduces maintenance. Enjoy 360 degrees HD views for an immersive experience. Effortless setup and maintenance. Assembly is intuitive, making water changes and adjustments easy. Designed to keep aquarium ownership low stress and enjoyable for everyone. This tank kit includes decorative plants, a filter sponge, and safety instructions for seamless use. Ready to elevate your aquarium game? Dive into this effortless and durable setup today. Number 2. Fluval Flex 15 Aquarium, a top choice for modern fish keepers. This aquarium combines innovative technology with a sleek, curved front design. From customizable LED lighting to advanced filtration, it's crafted for both aesthetics and function. Let's explore the features that make it stand out. The Fluval Flex offers a contemporary look with a curved front and a honeycomb wrap, concealing the waterline and filter compartment for a clean, modern appearance. Fully adjustable 7500K white and RGB LEDs let you create endless color blends. Use the FlexPad remote for effects like lightning bolts and fading cloud cover. This aquarium's 3-stage filtration system provides mechanical, chemical, and biological media, ensuring optimal water quality and a healthier environment for your fish. Designed with dual output nozzles, you can customize water flow. Plus, an easy feed cover lets you quickly add food without hassle. Fluval's mission is sustainability. The Flex 15 embodies this, promoting a balanced ecosystem where aquatic life and people can thrive together. In summary, the Fluval Flex 15 Aquarium is an outstanding choice for style, functionality, and environmental harmony, perfect for any fish enthusiast. Number 1, 3-gallon all-in-one aquarium starter kit. This aquarium kit is perfect for beginners and children, offering a compact, comprehensive setup to create a beautiful, self-sustaining underwater world at home. It includes everything you need: a high-definition glass fish bowl, heater, a dual-layer lid, a hob filter, a plant light, and even a rotating display base. Just add fish and you're ready to go. This all-in-one kit comes with premium components including HD float glass for a clear view, a hob filter, and beautiful artificial plants, every essential for easy setup. The 3-in-1 filter pump offers filtration, oxygenation, and oil film removal. Operating at ultra-quiet levels, it provides a clean and serene environment for your fish. The aquarium's true rimless HD glass offers 92% light transmittance, showcasing your fish beautifully. The cob plant light further supports, ideal for small fish like bettas and zebrafish. This aquarium ensures a safe habitat. Remember to avoid overcrowding and keep up with regular water changes. Perfect gift for kids and beginners, this aquarium fosters a love for nature and responsibility. Perfect for family bonding and indoor decor. Enjoy stress relief and relaxation as you watch your fish thrive. With a 365-day warranty and 24/7 customer support, this starter kit is a wonderful, low-maintenance way to dive into fish keeping. So that wraps up our list of the Fish Aquarium in 2025. Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Gadget Genius 21 family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.